Hi, are you ready to write some sentences with me? Today we're going to write 2 sentences together, so make sure that you have everything you need to write. You need some paper and a pencil. Good job, and later you'll need some crayons or some markers or something, right? Okay, the first sentence we're going to write is, let me try. Say that with me. Let me try. What is the first word we write? Let. Good. Give me the sounds. O, e, t. When we write a sentence, what do we always put at the beginning? A capital letter. So we write O, e, t. Good. Let. What's next? Me. Give me the sounds. Here we go. E. We're going to put our finger down to make a space. We're going to move over and write E. Let me try. Give me the sounds. T, r, I. This is our y, I. So we're going to do what between our words? Make a space. So we put our finger down if we need to, so we know how far to move, but we move our finger before we write. T, r, I. And we remember it's our y, I. Let me try. Is that our sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we put at the end? A period. Excellent job. Read the sentence with me. Let me try. Good job. The next sentence we're going to write is mix it up. Say that with me. Mix it up. Good job. The first word is mix. Give me the sounds. X. What do we always put at the beginning of a sentence? We always put a capital letter, so we've got to make that a capital letter. So X. Make sure your letters sit on the baseline. Mix. What's the next word? Mix it. Good job. Give me the sounds. It. What do we always put between our words? We put a space. So move over and write it. Good. Mix it up. Give me the sounds. Up. All right, we put a space. Move over so that we know it's a new word. Up. Mix it up. Is that our whole sentence? Yes, it is. So what do we need to put at the end? A period. Good job. Read the sentence with me. Mix it up. Will you read all of the sentences with me? Let me try. Mix it up. Can you think of a sentence you could, a picture you could draw that would go with these sentences? Okay, you do that for me. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.